얘는 지금 이제 it's good to have a review of what light through wonder windows break blah blah blah. 근데 보십시오. It says here Shakespeare on CD-ROM. 근데 셰익스피어가 CD-ROM에 있는데 potentially the most important thing to happen, 그렇죠? To the text of Shakespeare's plays since the 18th century. 그럼 여기서 생각을 해봐야 돼. 셰익스피어가 CD-ROM에 들어오는데 왜 이게 most important thing일까? When they are first given the serious scholarly attention reserved for cultural treasures. 그렇죠? 그러면 이게 뭐야? 지금 얘네들이 it's saying that Shakespeare work is of cultural treasure인데 그러면 they're saying is such work can be preserved. Right? CD-ROM으로 preserve 할 수 있기 때문에 보존이 돼서 그래서 it is important to understand why the innovations represented by these CDs, the BBC Shakespeare series Romeo and Juliet and Voyager Macbeth are so significant. 이제 뭐 significance of what's his name? Shakespeare, right? Now, what exactly is printed play by Shakespeare? 뭘까? It's asking you, right? Where it was once thought that Shakespeare's plays sprang from his noble brow in definitive and final form is now. 자, now가 중요한 거예요. Now, 왜? From his라고 하잖아. From his, 언제로부터 이제는 widely recognized that many of them were repeatedly revised. 자, 보세요. Revised. They've been changed. 그렇죠? 개정됐어요. Some of these early alterations, okay? Revised refers to the alterations were likely made by the theater company to adapt. 자, likely made by 누가 만들었어? 얘네들. 왜? To 목적. purpose가 adapt the play to a particular occasion. 그 occasion에 따라서. Others by a collaborator. Others for the government. Censors. Still others by the printer, but many of the most significant changes seem to bear the mark of Shakespeare himself. 그럼 보세요. 지금 여기선 지금 뭐 others 또 others 그렇지만 the most significant were made by Shakespeare himself. So we now know 여기서 또 알 수 있는 거는 셰익스피어조차도 이런 체인지들을 했다라는 거죠. All examples are important. 자, 그럼 이 예시에서는 there are two strikingly distinct versions of King Lear, 3 Hamlet and 2 of Romeo and Juliet. 자, the point. 자, 모든 포인트 is not simply that Shakespeare had second or third thoughts, but rather 이유가 나왔습니다. But rather 오히려 that he apparently regarded his plays as opened and unfinished. 그럼 얘가 alteration을 줬다라는 이유는 여기 뒤에 나온 거죠. He regarded his plays to be open and unfinished이기 때문에 he intended them to be repeatedly performed and that this meant 이 의미는 that they would continually cut, revised, or even radically reconceived according to the ideas of the players and the demands of the public. 그렇죠? Demands of the public도 그랬다라는 거죠. 그러면 the words are not meant to remain on the page. They were designed for the beauty and mutability of the human voice. 이거라는 거야. 이게 purpose인 거예요. 그렇죠? 근데 보십시오. 여기에서 nevertheless, okay? Look at this word and says 그럼에도 불구하고 what happened? Even today, what happened today? Right? The most today most editors silently stitch together 뭐를? The different versions of Hamlet or King Lear in an attempt to. 자, 여기서 attempt가 중요한 단어겠죠. 뭔가 시도를 주는 건데 to present the final version Shakespeare, 그렇죠? Supposedly meant to leave behind. 그럼 봐, 여기서 보시면 I'm going to look at this area a little more specifically. It says, nevertheless, even today, now, most editors silently stitch together. Stitch together, put together. Right? What? The different versions, 다른 version들의 Hamlet하고 얘네들을 합친다라는 거. 왜? In an attempt, 시도를 present the final version Shakespeare supposedly meant to leave behind. 그러면 이거는 이 에디터들이 셰익스피어가 이런 메시지를 전달하고자 하는 목적으로 they're putting bits and pieces together, right? So this is actually an important section, right? So these printed editions also hide or at least de-emphasize, emphasize 강조s, de-emphasize not 강조s. The presentation of the play on stage. 자, 또다시 CD-ROM이 나왔네. CD-ROM이 radical departure. 왜 그럴까? The words of the play appear on the screen. CD-ROM에서는 words, 자막이 뜬다라는 거죠. Words appear on the screen. Synchronized with a complete audio performance, meaning words and audio both at the same time. Right? It has long been possible to read the text of the play while listening to a recorded version. But now, 자, 모든 but들은 중요합니다. But now it is wonderfully easy to locate particular scenes and instantly hear them to go back and listen again. 그럼 봐. The feeling you can get is CD-ROM을 통해서 우리가 또다시 햄릿을 더 다시 즐길 수 있는 그런 advantage의 느낌을 많이 주고 있죠, 패시지에서. Right? Why? You can listen again, to stop, look at the glosses key to difficult words and phrases. Now, each CD includes video clips of some of the most famous scenes so that reason the pleasure of listening and reading can be supplemented with glimpse of a full production. Glimpse means bits and pieces of the full production. Now, we see these video clips are at once among the most promising and most frustrating aspects of the current technology. 지금 보세요. 여기서 promising이라고 하면서 frustrating이라고 하죠. frustrating. 답답한 면이 있대요. 이유가 나와야겠죠? 이유가 the quality of both the sound and the visual effects is mediocre. Mediocre just means on average, right? Normal. And to make matters worse, in the BBC's Romeo and Juliet, the actor들이 on the video are not the same as the actors reading the words. 그렇죠? 이게 frustrating 하다라는 거로 우리가 infer 할 수 있어요. The dubbing한 거 is inevitably imperfect. It's no good. And it is disconcerting to hear Albert Finney's unmistakable voice as Romeo coming from Patrick Reichardt's mouth. 그러면 what's it saying here? Voice, actor, different. Still, 아직도, what do we have here, guys? Still, there is considerable pleasure in the brief glimpse of performance. 뭘까? A pleasure quite distinct from watching the play on stage or film, since it is here linked so intimately and effortlessly with the words on the screen. Words on screen, right? Now, let me be clear. 명확하게 말해보자. These Shakespeare CDs are not principally interesting. Okay? 자, Shakespeare CD interesting 하지가 않대. 왜? As performances, right? 자, rather 이유를 주겠죠. Rather, they are remarkable because they change our experience of what it is to read a play. 그럼 봐. What it is to read a play, insistently recalling for that the words were meant for our ears as well as our eyes. 자, texts on CD-ROM have in effect recovered something of the magic. 자, 보십시오. 긍정적인 인포가 나왔죠. Recover, 복원했습니다. The magic that have been books possessed in the late Middle Ages when they were still rare enough to seem slightly eerie, as if they were haunted by spirits. 그럼 봐. 여러분들 만약에 eerie라는 뜻이 뭔지 몰라. 그러면 as if, 마치 haunted by spirits. 그러면 얘는 뭐겠습니까? Something strange, right? Not normal. Now, one stunning moment, one 놀라운 순간 on the Romeo and Juliet CD-ROM is a brief audio clip. 자, brief audio clip of an interview with the actress Gwen Franchin Davies, who had played Juliet in 1924. The interviewer asks her to recite some lines from the balcony scene. And after a brief demurral, she begins to speak the enchanting lines in a lush style completely different from. 그럼 봐, 여기는 difference. 그쵸? There are questions that ask you comparison or different related. So we have lines given from this person that's different from Claire Bloom's quietly strained rendition. 그럼 봐, 이 사람은 되게 lush. Claire는 quiet restrained. So for a minute or so, we get a glimpse of what the technology can do. If a stage performance at its best makes us experience a certain inevitability, leading us to think of the actor's interpretation of the play, we must be so. Then a CD has the power to make us think. 자, 그러면은 we think. Alright? CD actually has a good part. Why? It could be so different. We could compare 3, 4 radically different performances on the same scene just as we could for the first time easily compare differences in the text. 자, one version of Juliet's death scene. For example, 모든 예시들 뭔가 보여주려고 하네. She stabs herself with a dagger, with a small knife, right? And says, there rest. In another version, she says, there rust. So this is to show the same scene, 그치만 different usage of wording. Okay?